Okay, so guys, for you to apply for your YouTube monetization, I don't know if you already know that you will have to get your TIN, your TIN, tax identification number for your US non-treat tax form, blah 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 blah. You will see all that on the monetization on your AdSense account area. So for you to do it, you can actually go to the joint tax board office, or you can actually pay someone to do it for you, or you can do it by yourself. This is my first time of trying to do it, so I just thought to make this video alongside. If it works, then that saves me the stress of maybe having to do this video next time. So we'll go ahead, because I am registering for as a person, as an individual. I'll click this register for TIN individual. Alright, so here we are on this space. Please ensure the BVN details entered there corresponds exactly with your BVN slip. Enter the BVN. Anyway, you know what? I will just fill up this space. I will stop this recording to fill up this form. Then I'll continue the recording. I've been validated. Click next to continue. Okay, next. TIN request in video. Make sure you have your passport already, because you're going to submit your passport here on this section where you say choose file. I will have to cut this recording and fill up. Okay, so after filling the form, I just got this message from TIN. It says your individual TIN creation request has been submitted successfully. There's no document included here yet. I'm thinking that maybe that will be after maybe like 24 hours or whatever. Anyhow, I will give you updates whenever I get my TIN. Oh my god, I never knew this was so easy. Hey guys, our TIN has been successfully generated. You know why I'm saying that? I just got a message that the TIN has been generated. So let's check it on my email. Oh my god, can you see that? Congratulations, your application for taxpayer identification number TIN was successful and approved. Your TIN is... My god. Wow. This looks so nice. Okay guys, I'm here. I'm trying to submit my task info, non-US task TIN. This is the form I'm filling. Foreign TIN. Okay, they just sent me this mail that your task information has been approved. If there are no other holds on your account and your balance is above any minimum payment threshold that may apply, you'll be paid on a timely basis and the right taxes will be withheld up to 30%. If applicable, you can view or confirm your task information at any time. Wow, interesting. Okay, I just had it done.